She literally kills them all. Just got these for her on the front porch, and Meredith left them out, and next day they're dead. And then she's talking about wanting me to get her a greenhouse and garden set up. Let's just hope that this is not gonna happen when we're done with all that. That's gonna be a lot of work. No, I'm just actually giving her a hard time. She does really good with that. But this, brand spanking new, froze last night dead, so I'm gonna try to clean these up, save these leaves. I can see some green ones in there, so we'll try to save this. I'll move these into like a safety retreat area where she can't kill them anymore than they already are. That's it now. I'm gonna put these to a safety area away from Meredith now. Give these a couple months and hopefully get them back where they need to be.
All right, so Kyle thinks that he's funny, and he took a video of himself with my plants, and I found it on the SD card because I'm the one who does the video editing. So I'm just gonna let y'all know that he's not Mr. Macho Man, Green Thumb, whatever he's trying to fool y'all with. So he wants to tell you about my plants. This is Kyle's plant. Let me show you. See all this deadness? Listen. It's just dead. I was trimming up his plant for him. I brought it in because he had it outside in the 10-degree weather. So, yeah.